Hi guys, it's Addison and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be opening Mega Egga Mystery Egg. So this has a lot of surprises in it, and it's got toys, figurines, and collectibles inside. If you are new to my channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and turn on my bell notifications so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's roll the intro. Yo. Hey guys, it's Addison. Okay, so this has a lot of surprises inside, and it's guaranteed a plushie inside it too. And it says unbox a variety of mystery packs. So, and it's like super big, and it's pink, so yeah. Yeah, let's open it. So it's got like duct tape on it. What's this? Whoa. Okay. There's like a lot of things in here. That's so cool.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna just like close my eyes and pick one. It's like I want it to be a surprise. Okay, so here's a plushie, like how it said. So this is, I have no clue. It's like in Spanish or something, it looks like.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It looks like an onion.
An onion? Okay, so I guess it's an onion with a crown on it, but like it's super cute. Oh my gosh. Wow, so here it is. And oh my god. So there's like a lot of things in here. Oh my god. Oh yay.
That's just a keychain. That's your plushie.
Yeah, here's the plushie. So it's like a unicat. So it's got a unicorn, but it's a cat with wings. Oh my god, it's so cute. So yeah, here it is. And this is probably the plushie. This is like a keychain.
Mm-hmm.
So, oh. Okay, they don't really want to stand, so that is so cool. So this is a meh.
What is it?
A meh.
A myth?
A meh.
Oh, a myth. Oh,
Yeah.
one of them little things. Those
Yeah.
little guys. Those little squishy guys.
Yeah. These are so cute. Oh.
What is it?
This is so cool. Oh, so it's like a clear keychain, it looks like. So this one's actually not squishy, like all the other ones are, I guess. But I've never had one of these, so I don't really know. I've always wanted one of these kind of things. I'm going to try not to touch the clear part too much, because it's clear and it will get very like cloudy.
Mm-hmm.
So, oh my god, Ma! Why would you do that?
It's okay.
Okay, next thing. A fidget spinner.
Oh my god.
Okay, so there's some weird things in here, but so far we've got some pretty cool stuff. But we got a fidget spinner. So, I mean, I guess that's pretty cool. But let's see if it actually spins good. Oh, wait. So let's see. Oh, I can't even spin it. Oh wow, that's very smooth. So there's that. Oh, here you go. So it came with a fidget spinner. And I don't think I even have this one. It's like black inside, and then on the it's like white on the outside. So that's cool. Okay. What are you doing?
Alright, keep going.
Okay. We got collectible pins, Harry Potter.
Oh, nice.
So here's all the ones that you can collect on the back. So let's see which one we get. I want to get the head wing. I think that's what it's called. I don't really know.
The owl?
Yeah, the owl. But that's the name. Oh, I don't know yet. Oh, I got, what's her name? Ron?
Yeah, Ron. Weasel
Ron.
or Weasel or Weasel or something. that's Harry's friend. His best
Yeah.
friend, Ron.
I thought it was a girl.
Yeah, it's totally not a girl.
So here's that.
Mm-hmm.
I keep looking in the
I
box.
can't even get it to... There we go. There's Ron.
Okay, I'm going to try to keep the mess over here. So yeah, we got that. I'm still like in love with this.
What, the little seal guy?
Yeah.
What is
Okay.
that?
So we got plush clip-ons, and it's Steven Universal.
I have no idea.
I've never seen this in my life.
Steven Universe.
Yeah. So there's Steven, Garrett, Pearl, Battle Steven, Lion, which is pink.
Hmm.
So I want to get the lion because it's pink. So let's see what we get. Okay. So
Mystery.
package. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So I think we got Battle Steven. Okay, we got Garrett.
Garrett. Wow.
It's so weird. There's weird stuff in here. So far it was like going good, and now it's just
Went
drifting. This is heavy. Oh yay! It's another one. It's a splat ball. It's a splat ball. And oh, I love these things. So this is the splat ball, the lazy egg.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure that's what that is called. Ooh, that opened very good. That's cool. Okay, now we're getting better. Oh! So, I guess we can try it on here. Oh! So, I mean, it works.
It's very sticky.
Yeah, it's always like really sticky once you first
Set it
get
on
it.
that plate thing.
Oh!
Mm.
So there it is.
Okay.
It's another one of these little guys. So that's cute. And it's slowly walking away. I think this is another fidget spinner. Yep. So this is a blue and like a greenish yellowish, like looks neon. So we got another fidget spinner.
It's like blue and yellow.
Yeah. Okay. So here it is.
Wow.
So we got 2 fidget spinners. Okay, this is in like Spanish or Chinese.
Okay.
So I can't read this, but it's like this girl with blue hair, and she comes in like mean, love, all these kind of things. I really don't know. So,
What are they called? What call it?
Hatsune?
Okay, just open it.
Yeah, something. So let's see which one we get.
Anime is what I was going for.
Oh yeah, anime.
Probably like an anime character.
Yeah.
That's what I'm guessing.
Okay. So yeah, it's like a little anime person. Thought it would be bigger, but
It's another keychain.
yeah, it's like a keychain, and it looks like it's like the one who, I mean, she has like a microphone thingy attached to her, so maybe she's like a spy or something. I really don't know, but
Maybe she's a singer.
yeah, maybe. I don't know. Oh, yay. It's another one of these things, and I don't know, it feels different. But there's also, so there's that one. There's 2 egg hearts with the like egg yolk in the middle. There's one with like holding chopsticks. There's one on a frying pan. And there's one with an egg on a piece of toast.
Okay.
So I want the toast one because it looks really cute. Okay. Let's see what we get. I don't know. Yay! It's the toast one! Okay, so we got the toast one. It's
You don't
small.
have to open it because it's just
Yeah.
going to take you forever.
Yeah. But here it is. This is the one I wanted. Yay. Okay. Okay, so it's another pin thing. So let's see what one we get.
How much stuff you got left? A lot?
Like 3.
Okay.
So let's see what pin we get. Hopefully not the same one. We got Harry Potter.
Oh, cool.
I should give this to like Sabrina and them. So we got Harry Potter. 2 friends.
Yeah.
This is big.
Oh, that's Harry too.
Oh yeah, it's a Harry Potter wand.
Yeah. See which wand you get. It's like a mystery.
Yeah. So backpack budgies, but like it's a wand. So let's see which one we get. Oh, it's in this. So it's obviously like pretty tiny. Just rip the box.
Yeah. Why not?
Another package.
Probably like another keychain kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
and it's a
cool,
little
though.
wand. That's cute.
Yeah, that's cool. Is this like a thing on it? Oh, this is Ron.
That's
This is his wand.
Oh, that's his wand.
I
Okay.
can barely see because of the light. But yeah, this is Ron's
Very cute.
wand. So that's cool.
Uh-huh.
We got 2 more things, I'm pretty sure. Yay!
Another splat ball?
No, it's a squishy.
Oh, okay.
So we got the lazy egg, but in a squishy with pancakes and butter.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, so there's a lot of different ones on here. There's a plain egg, one with a sushi, one wrapped up in a blanket, but like it's the egg, one hatching out of the egg, toast, egg with a strawberry, like an egg roll up,
Mm-hmm.
an egg with a bacon on top, the pancakes, which I have, in like an egg yolk, but like it's like pink and not orange.
Mm.
So I have the pancakes one. So, ooh, that's super soft.
Is it?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
That's so soft. Oh, it's so cute too. And it's like kind of like stretchy form.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. Now I want to get more of these things. Okay, this is another squishy. It's like a Hello Senor. Hello Senor.
Mm-hmm.
There's like Hello Kitty, bunch of like
Mm.
characters. I don't know. So I got the
The cat?
Choco Cat. It's like another really like soft one. This is so soft.
That's
So
cute.
yeah. So we got 2 squishies and that's all.
So was it worth $35?
Yes, I think it was. Because I got like some really cool stuff. I got like a lot of like these kind of lazy egg people. And I'm like in love with that right now. So that was really cool. I got a big unicorn cat. And I just love it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Press that red button. And I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Peace.